quick crash course on programming some of these ATX5 controllers. This is a ATA GDO-7V2, which is what's listed there, so it should work. This cover comes off, and then on the machine there is door code, so we'll hold that until it goes, and then press this once. Oh, there's the faster one. Press this again. So now that button is paired to up and down, so and pair this one as well, which currently does nothing. I prefer everything to be up and down so I don't have to smash random buttons. Hold. Press this one. Press one more time. Programmed. So the second one here, this one's from ATA, about $60. That one's about $28. Gonna assume same process to program. I'll hold down door code. Then hold down this one. I'll press again. Should be done. I'm going to do that for the rest of these two, just because I like everything to open.